welcome back to Amazing Grace Garden. Welcome back, my AGG family, home to divine treasures. Okay, so with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. So y'all, it's that time of season. I'm getting it rolling. So I had planted some garlic, some soft neck garlic, the end of last year during the fall months. Okay, and that's when I had the greenhouses up or whatnot, and I took them in and put them in the garage. All right, so now I gotta do some tender loving care. Need some TLC, okay, on them to get them cleaned out and get them ready to go. So I'm gonna bring y'all along with me as I work on it. Well, I guess because you could be working on yours too if you got you some garlics or whatnot, so I can start harvesting, y'all. All right, y'all, so hopefully y'all can see me. So I'm over here at my little workstation right here. So this is the garlic. Okay, let me bring it where you can see me and it. Okay, so this is the garlic that I was talking about. It's the California soft neck. Okay, and the greens are edible on this garlic. Okay, so I got some leaves in here or whatnot, some weeds and stuff growing up. So what I'm about to do is I'm gonna snip off any little brownness I see of the leaves, just a little bit, snip them. Okay, and I'm about to take up all these weeds and stuff, because what's happening is, one reason why it's important to clean out any plants of weeds and stuff is because the weeds and stuff is taking up a lot of the nutrients. The weeds and stuff is growing nice and good, taking up a lot of the nutrients, when we want that nutrients and stuff to be going not to weeds but to our plants. And I know those of you that's been rocking with me, y'all know I'm allergic to what I'm pulling up, and I should have gloves on. But y'all, sometime in the garden, a real gardener wants to get down without gloves and feel the dirt and feel the, I do have my allergy medicine on hand, so I will be having that in me, so hopefully it don't be too bad. But I do want to just pull these up, the weeds or whatnot, without any gloves. The soil feels so good. so good on my hands. It's nature. Okay, so that is what I'm doing, cleaning these out. Okay, y'all, so I got them all cleaned out. Okay, and now I'm just gonna put them where I'm gonna have them. I need to get some more garlic and put off in there for sure. But yeah, I got some greens or whatnot that's gonna be perfect for cooking and adding to dishes and all that good stuff. Let me cut the tops off in this. But yeah, the garlic softener, and make sure that when you doing things like garlic and chives and onions, make sure they are the type that you can actually eat the greens from, okay? Because some you can't eat the greens and some you can. So make sure you look up which ones you have. But the garlic, and say the garlic California soft neck garlic, you can eat the greens, okay? So I definitely be sprinkling them over different things and all that good stuff. So I do have the weeds right here. I'm gonna take over there and give to the chickens here in a bit. Gonna get these all watered in. I will be buying some more garlic, but they are doing so good. I am so happy with the way they have turned out, and I'm ready to get more or whatnot. So that's a win-win situation. So that is how I do my garlic. I'm going to probably just set them up here for the time being, up here on the top of my little thingamajigger, okay? And so I figure I may leave them up here, or I may not. Hopefully it's not too heavy. I don't think it is. Let's see. Hopefully the wind don't take them down. I don't think it will, because they have a little weight to them, okay? And so I'll just leave them up here because I need the workstation down here for some more stuff, okay? Oh, I got one more. I got 5 of these. I'll just probably put this one over here. I got another stand. So yeah, that is my garlic, my California soft neck garlic, okay? So I hope y'all enjoyed coming along as I cleaned out my garlic, being able to see it. I just could keep doing this right here because it feels so good. I'm gonna water them or whatnot, and you know what I think I'm gonna do? Do I want to? The sun is down. Yeah, let's go ahead and do this. Let me get my fertilizer, okay? It's right here, so I might as well go and do it. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is give it a little boost. I use Miracle-Gro. This is what I have on hand, Sprinkle Head. So I am going to add a little bit to this, okay? Just a little bit. All right. Give everything a little boost, all right? And then I'm gonna water that in when I get off of here, but I don't want all this wet right now. So I'm gonna water that in here in a few minutes, okay? So with that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I'll see y'all in the next one. If it's Jehovah's will, y'all be safe, okay? Until next time, mwah, bye. Happy growing. Oh, and remember, gardening is supposed to be fun. If you make it hard, it may not never get done.